guys, welcome to my channel, and today I am here to tell you what are verbs. So without any wasting of time, let's get started. So let's understand verbs. So first of all, what do we have to know is first, what is it? So verbs are the words that represent actions that are external, that we do physically. Run, jump, work, and internal. Love, think, consider. Without words, you can't do anything. You can't feel anything. You can't even be anything. Verbs show that what the subject is doing or feeling. Like Rahul is drinking tea. So drinking is verb and Rahul is the subject. So like that, verbs show what the subject is doing or feeling, even if they are existing. Verbs are also the only type of word that's absolutely increased to make a sentence. Not even nouns, which represent things, need to be in every sentence. So let's know some examples of it. So first of all, let's know some sentences. So in sentences, first, he is being to save her mother's life in front of the doctor. So save. Yeah? Save. David is writing. Writing is verb. A novel about wildlife heritage. You are coming right now at the seminar. So, coming is verb. She is smiling in front of audience. Smiling is verb. They are selling their company's product to people. So, selling is verb. He apologized to the teacher. So, here, apologized to the teacher. Here, apologized is the verb. So, in words, here are some common verbs of English: slide, slip, smell, snore, solve, sew, speak, stand, start, steal, stick, sting, stink, stire, suggest, supply, suppose, surprise, survive, sphere, sweep, tell, think, threaten, throw, tiptoe, tolerate, wake, walk, want, warn, wash, watch, wait. So that's all for today. We will learn more about this in the next videos. So thanks for watching. Bye.